Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 6. In today's science class, I'm going to start a new chapter in which I'm going to discuss Unit 9.1, the structure of Earth. In this unit, you have very interesting topics. Will learn about the different models of the structure of Earth, like the early models of the structure of Earth, modern models of the structure of Earth, and the evidences through which you would able to know about the structure of Earth. The first topic in this unit is ground beneath your feet. In the very early days, scientists were very curious about the structure of the Earth for many years, so they made different observations and collected data and thought about the structure of the Earth. So they created also scientific models to explain their observations. These scientific models was just an idea to explain their observations about the structure of the Earth. In the early model of the structure of Earth consists of flat Earth model. For the many years, people thought that Earth was flat, and this idea was just based upon their observations. But gradually, this observation was proved to be wrong when the sailors uh, noticed that the ship appears to sink as they go over the horizon, and it should not happen if the Earth is flat. So, it means that Earth must be a sphere in shape. And the second evidence was collected by the Aristotle when they lived more than 2000 years ago, and they saw the shadow of the Earth on the moon, which was round. So these observations led to the new model of the Earth, that Earth was sphere in shape, not flat. The second model of the early models of the Earth was hollow Earth model, and this model was represented by Edmund Halley. He suggested that the Earth consists of three hollow shells, and he created his own model to explain some unusual compass readings. But this model was also proved to be wrong, and it was not successful. Now the modern models of the structure of the Earth. The modern model of the structure of Earth was based upon different observations and data collected by different scientists. So this model was uh, found to be correct and true. And the structure of the Earth is just like this modern model. You can see this picture that the Earth is made up of several layers. And according to this model, the first layer is known as the crust. It is solid in nature and it is made up of different types of rocks. The second mantle layer is the center of the Earth. It is also solid but can flow very slowly. The third layer is the liquid outer core, and it is made up of iron and nickel. And the last one is the inner core, which is also solid, and it is made up of iron and nickel. The next topic is, how do we know about the structure of the Earth? Observations and data collected from different scientists made the study of the structure of the Earth easy. The scientists studied the rocks on the surface and under the oceans, and they also examined the rocks of the volcanoes. In 1930, a scientist named Lehman, she examined the shock wave pattern, and she created her new model, which explains that the core consists of two parts, and she discovered the inner core, which is solid. Now the next topic is hotter and hotter. As we move from crust to core, the temperature increases, and the core is 6000 kilometers below the surface, which is very hot, and it may be hotter than the surface of the sun. The deepest mine in the world are South Africa, and they are nearly about 4 kilometers deep. And at these depths, the rock temperature is about 60 degrees centigrade. But the air in this area is cool, so the miners can do their work. Now the questions of this unit given on your page number 119. In the first question, you have to write down the names of the layers of the Earth, and you have to draw the structure of the Earth also. In the second question, you have to give two evidences which suggest that Earth is spherical. And in the last question, you have to give the evidence which suggests that the Earth has a solid inner core. Now the exercise on your workbook on page number 51. In the first question, you have to label the diagram. You have to write the names of different layers of the earth. In the second question, there are different sentences from A to F. You have to write against each sentence C, M, O and I. C stands for Earth's crust, M for mantle, O for outer core and I for inner core. You may also write more than one letter. And in the last third question, you have to give the evidence which supports that Earth is sphere and not flat. Now learn the different layers of the earth and also the different models represented by the scientists about the structure of the earth. Thank you.